Stamping is a fantastic way to add personalised touches to your crafts. It's so easy to do and you only need a few simple tools. Today we'll explore the basics of simple stamping and how to customise different projects. The key to a good stamp is even coverage. So make sure you tap the ink pad gently and cover the entire surface of the stamp. This way you'll get even coverage and great results. A stamping platform will enable you to stamp with even coverage so that you're sure to get every part of the stamp on the paper. And if you need to go back in and stamp again, then it's going to be perfectly lined up. Stamping is also a great way to customise different crafts and make them truly unique. A rocker block is a great tool to enable you to stamp specific areas and to be precise with your designs, whilst also having the freedom to move the stamp quickly and easily. And always clean your stamps immediately after using them to keep them in good condition for your next project. I'd recommend using our stamp cleaning solution and the stamp cleaning station to remove all of the excess ink.